So here is the chemistry predicted paper which has been prepared based on the past 3 years analysis. Our experts have analyzed previous years questions, and based on that we have created predicted questions for the MHT CET 2026 exam. So if you are appearing for the same, then make sure you are watching the video till the end. Also, you must have checked out the previous physics predicted question paper. If not, then we are providing the link in the comment box. Also, we'll be providing the link in the end of this video, so make sure you watch it till the end. For both chemistry and maths, we'll be providing 50-50 questions each, so make sure you practice and act accordingly. So first question, you can see it is from ionic equilibrium, and the correct answer is B. The question difficulty level is medium. We'll try to wrap up this video soon so that you are able to check maximum questions from this video. Next, you can see the second question also belongs from ionic equilibrium, and the overall difficulty level of the question is medium, and the answer is B. For third question, the third question belongs to liquid solution, and the correct answer is A. Next, as we move ahead, you can see the fourth question. So the question belongs from liquid solution, and the overall difficulty is hard, and the correct answer is B, which is 3. For fifth question, thermodynamics, the correct answer is B, and the difficulty level is medium. Sixth question belongs to thermodynamics, and the answer can be checked on the screen, and the overall difficulty level is medium. If you need explanation for any of these questions, you can comment down the same in the comment section, and we will try to give you a detailed solution on why the answer for that particular question is this. Next, for seventh question, you can see it belongs to electrochemistry, and the overall difficulty is medium, and the correct answer is C. For eighth question, the correct answer is A, and the difficulty level is medium, and the question also belongs to electrochemistry. Candidate must know that the predicted question paper has been prepared based on the chapter wise weightage of the chemistry section. So if suppose from electrochemistry 3 to 4 questions are expected in the MHT CET exam, then based on that only we have created this particular predicted question paper specifically to help you get more confident before the exam day. Next, moving ahead, you can see the ninth question, which belongs to P block, and the difficulty level is easy, and C is the correct answer for the same. Question number 10th also belongs to P block element, and the answer for the same can be checked on the screen. Next, question number 11 belongs to D block, and the answer for the same is B, and the difficulty level is medium. So moving ahead, we have another question from coordination compound. So the correct answer is 4, and the difficulty level is hard. Next, we have another coordination compound medium difficulty question, and the correct answer can be checked on the screen. For 14th question, which belongs to alcohols, the correct answer is B, and the difficulty level can be checked on the screen. The 15th question, which you can see on the screen, belongs to aldehyde and ketones, and the correct answer for the same is B, and the difficulty level is medium. Next, candidate can check 16th question on the screen, whose difficulty level is easy, and the correct answer is A. So as we move ahead, next you can see the 17th question from amines, and the correct answer is B for the same. 18th question belongs to polymers. We have highlighted the topic as well and the difficulty level, don't forget that. So the correct answer is B for that. So as we move ahead, we have 19th question from biomolecules, and the difficulty level is easy, and the correct answer is sequence of amino acid. Next, the 28th question belongs to surface chemistry, and the overall difficulty level is medium, and the correct answer for the same is D, which is reversible low enthalpy. Next, the 21st question is from basic concept, and the overall difficulty is easy. So we have created a mix of easy, medium and hard questions, so that this is how the question also appears in the exam in the MHT CET, a mix of 3, so that there is a manage between the overall difficulty level of the question paper. So as you can see, for 21st question, C is the correct answer. For 22nd question, B is the correct answer. As you move ahead, for 23rd question, D is the correct answer. So as we move ahead, we have 24th question on the screen, and the correct answer is C, which is can be checked on the screen. For 25th question, the question belongs to solid state, and the correct answer is B for the same. Next, as we move ahead, we have 26th question on the screen, and the correct answer is B, which is shift right. Next, for 27th question, which is from ionic equilibrium, the correct answer is B, and the overall difficulty level is also hard. So these kind of question also you should practice for the exam day, so that if any unwanted kind of questions which you didn't even imagine the difficulty level if appears in the exam, you are able to manage it and answer it properly. So for 28th question, which belongs to GOC, the correct answer is B. For 29th question, the correct answer is B for and the question belongs to hydrocarbons. The overall difficulty level is easy. Next, we have 38th question on the screen, and the correct answer is A, and the difficulty level is medium. For 31st question, the correct answer is D block, and the correct answer is B. For 32nd question, thermodynamics, the question belongs to thermodynamics, and the correct answer is C. Next, for 33rd question, the answer can be checked on the screen, and the question belongs from polymers. For 34th question, the correct answer is B, and the question belongs from biomolecules. As we move ahead, we have 35th question on the screen from coordination compound, and the correct answer is B, and the overall difficulty level is hard. So again, I'm repeating it, this is not a previous year's question paper, this is the most predicted question paper which is expected to appear in the future exam. So if you are appearing for the exam, make sure to practice these kind of questions for your exam day. Next, we have 36th question from surface chemistry, and the correct answer is chemical bond formation, which is B, which can be checked on the screen. For 37th question from liquid solution, the correct answer is B. And as we move ahead, for 38th question, the correct answer is B, and the question belongs from basic concepts. Next, for the 39th question, the correct answer is C, and the same can be checked on the screen. You can pause the video if you want to spend some time on any particular question and then proceed with other question. Next, we have 40th question on the screen, and from electrochemistry, and the correct answer is A for the same. Next, as we move ahead, we have 41st question, and the correct answer is C for the same, and the difficulty level is easy. For 42nd question from bonding, the correct answer is C. And as we move ahead, we have 43rd question, and the 43rd question belongs to hydrogens, and the correct answer is B, which is moderator. Next, for 44th question, the question belongs from redox, and the correct answer is C. Next, as we move ahead, we have 45th question, and the overall difficulty level of the 45th question is easy, and the question belongs from S block, and the correct answer is A. For 46th question, the correct answer is C, and the question belongs from organic basics. As we move ahead, we have 47th question from alkynes, and the correct answer is C for the same, and the overall difficulty is easy. For 48th question, the correct answer is C, and the question belongs from organic. For 49th question, the correct answer is B, and the question belongs from colloids, and the difficulty level is easy. And last but not the least, for 58th question, the correct answer is C, and the question belongs to basic concepts. So these are the 50 top predicted question paper for the MHT CET exam. Moving ahead, we'll be highlighting the top 50 questions for the maths as well. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video to explore some of the important questions that are expected to appear in the MHT CET exam. So next, as we move ahead, let's start with discussing the maths predicted question paper based on the previous year's trend. So as you can see on the screen, first we have question number 1, which is from integration, and the correct answer is A. As we move ahead, we have question number 2, and the correct answer is A from integration, and both the questions difficulty level was hard. Next, from third, again we have another question from integration, and the difficulty level is medium. Again, fourth question we have integration, and the overall difficulty is hard. So by looking at this, we can expect that the integration in the MHT CET for upcoming exam can be expected, the questions can be expected moderate to difficult. So prepare yourself accordingly, so that even if some such kind of question comes in, you are able to answer it properly without answering any wrong questions. So as we move ahead, for the 5th question, the correct answer is A, and the overall difficulty is hard. The question belongs to differential equation, and math is generally hard in most of the MHT CET. So that is how the question has been prepared. Next, as we move ahead, we have another question 6th, which is from differential equation, and the expected difficulty level is also hard for this, and the correct answer is A. Next 7th question, we have 3D geometry, so the difficulty level is medium and the correct answer is A. For 8th question, the correct answer is A. For 9th vectors, the correct answer is A. As you move ahead to 10th question, the correct answer is A for it. So next, moving ahead, we have 10th question, the correct answer is A. For 11th question from probability, the correct answer is A and the difficulty level is medium. When it comes to 12th, the answer can be checked on the screen and the question belongs to probability distribution. For 13th question, the correct answer is 1, 2, 1 and -3. So candidate must note that I am taking this video little fast so that we are able to cover all the 50 questions from chemistry and mathematics. However, if you have any doubt related to one particular question, then you can comment down the same in the comment section. Also, you can pause the video, then check out the question and then answer it, then move ahead with the other question. That is how you will be able to practice all questions, all the 100 questions from chemistry and mathematics. And at the end of this video, we'll be providing link of physics predicted question paper, which we have already published, and if you have not checked out, make sure to check out for the exam day. So for 14th question, as you can see on the screen, correct answer is B. For 15th question, the correct answer is B, and the question, the topic is application of derivatives. Next, for 16th question, again the answer is A and the difficulty level of the question is hard. Next, as we move ahead, we have a question from matrices and the correct answer is -8, which is C, and the difficulty level is medium. For 18th question, the correct answer is A and the difficulty level is hard. For mathematical reasoning, the difficulty level is easy and the correct answer is C. As we move ahead, for the 28th question, the correct answer is C. For 21st question, the correct answer is A and the difficulty level is hard, and the question belongs to probability distribution. Next, as we move ahead, we have 22nd question from binomial distribution, and the answer can be checked on the screen. The difficulty level is medium. For 23rd question, 3D geometry, the correct answer is A and the difficulty level is hard. Next, as we move ahead, you can see 24th question on the screen from 3D geometry, and the correct answer is B. So first 25 questions are almost over, and 25th question answer you can check it out on the screen. Next, we will be moving ahead with another set of 25 questions from different chapters, which you can practice for the exam day. So as you move ahead, you can see 26th question, and the correct answer is A for it, from trigonometry. From 27, again we have another question from trigonometry, and the correct answer is A. The question difficulty level is medium. As we move ahead, on the 28th question, we have circle, and the correct answer is A for it, and the difficulty level is medium. Next, we have 29th question, and the correct answer is straight line, and the correct answer is A, and the question belongs to straight line. Next, we have 38th question from functions, and the correct answer is A. Again, I am saying you can pause the video and you can check out the question and answer both, so that you don't miss out any important question that is expected to appear in the maths MHT CET exam. So as we move ahead, we have 31st question from integration, and the correct answer is B, and the overall difficulty level is medium. Next, for 32nd question, the correct answer is B, as you can see on the screen, and the difficulty level is medium. For 33rd question, the correct answer is A, and the overall difficulty is hard, and the question belongs to application of integration. As we move ahead, we have 35th question, which belongs to pair of line. So the correct answer is B for it. Next, as we move ahead, we have 35th question on the screen, and the correct answer for the same is A, and the question belongs to planes. For 36th question, the correct answer is line, and the overall difficulty is medium, and the question answer is A. For 37th question, the correct answer is B, and the question belongs to probability, and the overall difficulty is medium for it. For 38th question, the correct answer is A, overall difficulty is medium, and the correct answer is A. For 39th question, the correct answer is A, application of derivatives, and the question difficulty level is medium. As we move ahead, we have 48th question from integration, and the correct answer is A, and the overall difficulty level is hard. For 41st question, the correct answer is trigonometry, and the correct answer is A for it. Next, we have 42nd question, which you can see on the screen, and the answer for the same can be checked on the screen. The overall difficulty is medium for the same. For 43rd question, the correct answer is A. For 44th question, from permutation and combination, the correct answer is A, which is 56. For 45th question, from sequence and series, the correct answer is 210, as you can see on the screen. As we move ahead, we have 46th question from mathematical reasoning, and the correct answer is B for the same. So we have last 3 questions left. For 47th question, the correct answer is C from continuity, and the overall difficulty level is medium. For 48th question, the correct answer is A. Also, if you are appearing for the MHT CET exam, make sure to subscribe the channel, because on the exam day we'll be going live and discussing the detailed analysis of the question paper, so that those who are appearing for the exam can enhance their preparation accordingly. Next, for the 49th question, the correct answer is A, which is 2. And last but not the least, we have 58th question. So correct answer for the same is B. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the question present in it, then make sure to like the channel and subscribe it, and also comment yes if you need access to this particular sheet, so that you can practice these questions on your own by giving a mock test.